Bill McRae here. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you for checking me out here. I want to talk to you about something that's very important. It's something we teach in Bulletproof Email Solution, which is, there'll be a link around here somewhere, which is a great product because it teaches what's called list segmentation. Now, everybody wants it to be simple. This is a business. This is a multi-million-dollar business to me, so it could be $100,000 a year, and it's not going to be simple. It's going to require some education, some training, some thought, and some maintenance work. List segmentation is one thing, but the other thing is list hygiene, which people go, what do you mean by list hygiene? Well, there's a couple of different things we do as a company. Okay. All of our data comes in through a system where it's cleaned and scrubbed and a bunch of people are removed and all the people that are going to complain are removed, all the honeypots, all the bad email addresses that are going to bounce are removed. And then we email it and we see who engages. If they engage, which I mean if they open an email, they get segmented into a list that is got a follow-up sequence that's nothing but stuff that they're interested in, content. And they get imported into a completely different server where we just mail solo ads. Completely different because you can't mix the two or you're going to ruin your affiliate business. We manage those engaged leads, and when they quit engaging, like on a solo ad list, if they open on June 15th and they open on June 30th, but they don't open again until they don't open at all, by August 30th, they're removed from the list. Now, why am I doing that? I'm bringing in 5,000 leads a day and I'm removing 2/3 of them within 60 days. Why? Is because your ability to inbox into Google, Gmail, Yahoo, other email service providers or ESPs depends on how many people actually open and engage and read your email. If you're sending out, 500,000 emails a day, and Google says, well, only about 10% of people ever open them, why don't we, just consider everything he says as spam? Because obviously no one's interested in this stuff. It's literally how it works. So what we do is, if somebody hasn't opened an email for 30 consecutive days, we delete them, we purge them. Now that may sound harsh, but cost of leads is nothing to us. And we're not relationship builders with our solo ad business. Our goal is simple, get people to click emails. Now, I have people that have offered to do ad swaps. They go 100,000 leads. I said, well, let's do an ad swap. We do an ad swap. He generates 350 clicks from 100,000 leads. I generate 13,000 clicks from 100,000 leads. What's the difference? His leads are old, tired, and don't care anymore. But because he was more about his ego and the size of his list, he never called any of the deadwood. So what he's doing is his deliverability goes down every time he sends out an email because he doesn't delete the old stuff. That's one. Number two, he's ticking off his autoresponder. He's going to lose his account. Guarantee it's going to happen. And number three, he's paying whoever his autoresponder is a premium price, way too high, simply because he doesn't want to delete his leads. And you're paying AWeber or GetResponse, these companies like that, for how many leads you have. I only care about how many engaged leads we have. It's a big, big difference. So what you're really doing here is if you're just mailing and calling out and only dealing with the people who want to receive your emails, and it's easy to build a huge list of people who want your emails, what you do is you get rid of the deadwood. Your emails aren't spammy. You don't do any tricky spamming. You don't say, here's a deposit for $2,500 to your Wells Fargo account. You don't do none of that junk. You promote aggressively, but fairly, and you don't be deceptive. And your emails get in the inbox for perpetuity because you've written good emails. You have great engagement, so obviously people are looking at your emails. And you're not overpaying the autoresponder, assuming you use something other than the system like we have. Now, we automate our own personal system where we automatically delete people after 30 days. You'll have to figure out how to do that in your system. I know how to do it in GetResponse. I'm assuming Aweber does it. Most services ought to have a way of saying, okay, I want to delete anybody who hasn't opened any emails within the last 60 days, at least that. It's not how big your list is, it's how engaged your list is. I know you're going, oh, I spent all this money to build this list. They're either going to buy in that period of time and stay engaged, or they're not. And if they're not, you're spending money on them. List hygiene is critical. You guys have a great day. Check out Bulletproof Email Solutions.